You can use the automated conditional formatting tool to highlight values in cells that are important to you. It can color or otherwise format a cell or even entire rows in a table according to the selected criteria. Let's look at some simple and useful conditions. We would need to highlight all employees traveling to the US in the business trip table. So we select the destination column, and on the Home tab, in the Conditional Formatting menu, choose Highlight Cells Rules, select Equal to, and write USA here. The format can be selected in the right field of the predefined colors, or the format can be created according to your own ideas in custom format. The second condition can be used to color the values of amounts over 50,000 Czech crowns. Again, select CZK value column and choose Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, and choose Greater Than. Write 50,000. Similarly, you can select rules for highlighting duplicate values, dates, numbers below or above average, etc. A new rule is used to color entire rows using a formula which you will learn in the intermediate course. This tool now works dynamically and is affected by any changes in the cell values. You can remove or modify conditional formatting through the Rule Manager in the Conditional Formatting and Manage Rules. Here, after selecting a rule, we can use the buttons above to change or completely remove the rule. Try it. Thanks for watching, give a like, subscribe, and see you next time.